because him not stopping her, you know. What's him never get catch? I feel it for the woman. She like 7 months pregnant. Me I tell her really big in the wedding dress.
See shy like the place, just YouTube it. Some other channel, just too foolish. Like, subscribe and share. Comment right here. I'm not like dog or YouTube lit.
Get something and draw close. A story time. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Chesouye, and if you didn't know, now you know. I go on a social media break. Basically, yes, I know I miss it from YouTube for a while, but the girl is back like she never leave. Y'all, I am back like I never left. So remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Now to the title down below. That's on there. I'm going right in because I know I cannot believe. I don't know I got tackle the video yet, but I know I'm gonna figure it out. So I'm gonna start. So you know, if you can recall in videos, in like 2 videos before this one, I said I was dating. I also said that I broke up with my boyfriend. So let me start there. So I broke up with the guy that I was with, my ex. I broke up with him, right? And we're still friends, but I know I never one of them relationship they were. To me, it feel like him broke and boasty. You know them people that wanna have no money, but them just boasty. Oh, I'm not going on no more relationship because I know say the boy I go come back. We broke up because but I agreed to it, say listen, this now move forward, it don't make no sense, and probably we're better off as friends. So yeah, I break up with my ex and everything, and so randomly I posted on Snapchat, like see when I come a break from YouTube or some break from Snapchat and go post sometimes. So on this particular day I post a video probably myself, and this guy texts me hi or whatever, and we start talk. We talk, and mind you, if you know, you know, I do not answer persons on social media because I just feel like social media is not a safe space, right? I not say good not come from it, but there will be bad on social media. I just never feel like say I don't feel like some of answer people. So honestly, if you text me on Instagram and you don't get straight to the point, if you text me hey, I'm not gonna answer you. Sometimes I get to the point I'm still not answer you because sometimes I really don't see the messages, and sometimes I really see them and I'm not answer. Anyway, let me get that out of the way. I don't know why I end up start talk to this guy, but yeah, the guy him start telling me name. We talk and you know I flex and it feel nice. He send me a picture, he tell me all kind of something. Moving on. So you know that we talk for like some days now. I must say alright, everything look, you know, cool. Everything look cool. So you know we can move over to WhatsApp. So I end up give the guy my number and he start text me on WhatsApp. He start tell me which part him work. I never like that. He start like, to me it feel like him broke and boasty. You know them people that wanna have no money but them just boasty. So the car where him have, I never know top a car, but him just want to make it feel like. Mind you, I'm not a material person, but I'm just try to make you understand about the person. I'm not a material person. It does not take much to make me happy. My friends know this, my partner know this, my mother know this, everybody know this. It does not. I'm really not a material girl. Material things that faze me. But as me say, boy work and bossy. 1 week into the dating, my youth, the first thing he said to me is that him have a daughter if it's gonna be a problem. So I said no, why would it be a problem? He must say she jealous over him, but like I'm not worry about it because it's not gonna be a problem because he put her in her place. No, that did sound a little bit too iffy to me because if I was a jealous child and if my stepfather was strong, my mother would have there to this day because me try everything. So I know that this little child, if I saw the case, she gonna try everything. So I say cool, alright. You know, red are my favorite color, so just jump right in like the idiot me be. So I talk to the guy, everything. Now him want to tip him their work and him just want to call me from him want to on the phone from my leave out and him wake up, him want to on the phone straight. I say like me as a girl, I want my space, I want can play like a PUBG, I want can talk things and I not feel worry say, you know, in my ear. So me never like that either. Then it kind of conflicted. Alright, I'm not go there. So after him tell me about the data story, him said one morning me I go work and him said to me say like roughly how much I need for spend a day for like lunch if me I buy lunch and fare. I tell him say my fare can range from grand to 1,500. You know what the next question him gonna ask me? Me find it very disrespectful. He gonna ask me how much I get paid. I never like that. For a man where I know literally 1 week or 1 week and a little bit, I don't feel like if you ask me that. I never answer. Either I never answer or I don't know, but I don't think I tell him. Yeah, I don't tell him. So weeks and weeks I go by and you know, mind you, it was very annoying. I remember the first date we go on did alright, but him, yeah, it did alright. Then we go on a few more dates and them did alright. I get used to him and now. I make him we can kiss, we can hug, we can, you know, do them things. Then I remember one day him say where I go to the park somewhere in Kingston where I go. And this is one of the days when me leave work early, so I say, you know why not? I go on the date. When I went there, I see my moves. You would try to make moves for like do more than what I would want to do. So I say, you know, I got very annoyed. I said, listen, stop touch me. And I just make him bring me where I can get taxi. Not even, but I make him drop me nowhere. Just bring me where, you know, I can get taxi and I just go on my waist because I can't bother. You know, say the week after that, my boss asked me, say, I don't know about car, I don't know him asked me, but he asked me to buy one part for him car. See me? How we were talking, me. So I said, I don't have it. I never tell this man. You see, if he's a man where, yeah, I'm spending money, but I never tell him thanks yet. He never spend not even $10 for me yet. So why me must take up my hard-earned money when me wait from 4 o'clock 4, I'm gonna reach my yard till late and give you must be smoking some crack. You must be. Anyways, as me I say, all of them something there over time, them a build up. And I say, you know what? I gotta stop deal with this dude. I just stop talk to him. So I take my little time and I start distance myself, I just get up on him and say, listen, stop talk to me. Even not do me nothing or nothing, but just get up. Everything just build up and I just say, listen, stop talk to me, stop text my phone, stop call me, I don't want to hear nothing. Like, this is done. This done. This is done. Anyway, few weeks ago now, this was from April. So 2 months passed, right? 2 months passed. Yeah, 2 months passed and everything. And one day I did on WhatsApp. I watched the status. I never delete him number, same number is still in my phone. And you just guess what I say. I just guess what I say. I see the boy I put up a picture with him in a white suit. I said, him look nice. Him look nice. Whatever. When I scroll a little further, I see white dress, kiss, belly wall, because the woman pregnant. One knows the boy have woman well like she look like she's 7 months pregnant. That's how pregnant she looks. The boy married, you know. 2 months ago the boy give me talk, you know. The boy tell me to come and me I just come and offer yard. You must not know this girl. You must not know this girl. Boy tell me say him want bring me go yesterday so. I say not this girl. You can't do that to this girl. And so me stay like and I just couldn't believe. I was so shocked. Me I say, then man wicked here. I know say them the wicked and I don't like them, you know. But me did that, I look on the picture. I look on the picture for a good second. Because I tell her say, I have a feeling to the boy and not necessarily to God. But that shit me up. Come here say, then someone did wicked. Imagine, you know, you have a baby mother in your yard. Baby fiance. You have a fiance who's pregnant. You engaged to somebody and she's pregnant and you're out the road. I go pan I carry other woman pan date. Can you imagine? I'm afraid of man, you know? Cause that embarrassing, man. Not telling no lie. I say I fall upon the girl a good little second. I feel I hold on by the picture and zoom in. Cause I say this can't real. This is some Photoshop something. This cannot real. This have to be something. This is something you hear about in a movie. You don't see them something in a real life. Man can't wicked, so. Anyways, some days ago now, post up my mother and thing. He will come text me. Is she okay? I said don't text my phone ever. Here, see me? Thumbs up. I just seen him. Delete him number same time set speed me delete him number because I never know say someone could have wicked. Normally when I stop talking to somebody I don't really, you know, I not really interfere with them because them after time I don't really do nothing. I'm just not interested. But me I tell her say that wicked man, I feel it for the woman and she don't know about it. I feel it for the woman because him not stopping her, you know. What's him never get catch? I feel it for the woman. She like 7 months pregnant. I tell her really big in the wedding dress. Big. I tell her say good married brides, me and grooms, men, ring pop, wedding picture, reception. Like God, it stressed me out. It mashed up my head. I say no, then I always hear about it for like Pink One and Daydream, but for see. Not so. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. But that's come for say man wicked and follow the intuition because don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, turn on post notifications, screenshots are part of the video, post it on Instagram and mention me so I can mention back. Follow me on Instagram at Chesouye, follow me on Snapchat, Twitter and TikTok at Chesouye, and I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Bye.
Chesouye lock the place, just YouTube it. Some other channel.